Yo guys, for today's video maglalaro pala tayong Free Fire Max. Okay guys, baril-barilan to. Free Fire Max. Guys. Guys, training pa lang pala to kasi kakasimula ako pa lang kasi magaling na ako dito guys. Dati guys meron na ako nete. Nick bawal Kelvin Pogi dot Kelvin Pogi tas dot ay yung pangalan ko is Kelvin Pogi dot experience. Guys, nakalaro nga ako ng experience. Okay, alam ko. Ito naman guys, alam ko guys. Guys, ang lakas ko na dito dati.
Welcome to Kelly's Combat Challenge. Let's see how fast you can take down the enemies. Rotate your screen to find enemies and shoot when the crosshairs hit. Quadra kill! Awesome! Enemies drop some loot. Go check it out.
Ayun nga pa.
A rifle! First things first, load up your magazine.
Grabe, sniper.
Let's go! Eliminate all enemies in the distance. The enemies are a bit far. The enemies have placed glue walls. Keep shooting to destroy them with your teammates. Double kill! I know, your teammate... The glue wall is blocking the damage for now. Use this chance to help your teammate up. Resources here.
Ba't ka makalakad? Kasi tinira ko ata.
Both of you are low on health. Heal up. All set? Go. Time to take them down. Perfect. Kill. Let's jump into the next matchup.
Bakbakan na yung talaga. Ayun, may mapa na. Oo, taon na kaya. Yung baril agad oh. Baril agad po eh. Ano ko nga yun? May baril ako. Ano naman itong missile? James, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Mas gusto ko to sniper. Diba guys, patay. Yun. Yun oh. Kailangan ko ng sasakyan. Yan, gumagana ba yung sasakyan to? Yun. Grabe yung zone pala guys. Saksak sa mga sakyan. Pakubaga lang sa akin yun. Pakubaga lang sa akin. Sasakyan naman. Ayoko na ka. Guys, patay to. Yung zone. Hindi tumigil pa. Sino na yung dito? Pambukol na. So, nangangatay na ako. Gusto kong pumatay. Sigaw. Ang daw yun. Sino pa? Saan pa? Saan pa na ako makita?
appetite. Mukbang time!
Mukbang daw guys, mukbang. Next video kaya guys, mag-mukbang tayo. Mag-mukbang. Guys.
It was a nightmare to be stuck on the island. But also a good dream too, kinda. You know, with her.
Guys, mobile.
Battle Royale. That next time.
I don't know where we are, but I'll get us out of here, Kelly. I promise.
Bye guys.